Hi, I'm Riley, and I'm going to talk about the impacts of agricultural practices. Some background is arable land, which is land used for agriculture, and improper use of this land can make it unusable. The first process is tilling. It's used to prepare the soil for seeds, and it's large machines that rotate the soil and turn non-crops into nutrients and provide aeration. Some negatives is it can cause bare soil, which can cause more soil erosion and evaporation of soil moisture. And eutrophication can occur, where nutrient soil gets into water and creates an overgrowth of algae. And the churning of the soil also alters the soil structure. Mechanized farming, so like the big machines they use, can also impact the soil, and emissions are released and fossil fuels are also used. So there was my Collins slide. Next is slash and burn. So this happens in less developed countries, most with like rainforests and low nutrient soil. So trees are cut down and burned, and the ashes are used as a fertilizer. And then here's some cons, is that it's unsustainable and only works for a few years, and the nutrients quickly run out. And then there can no longer be the land can no longer be used, so the farmer must move, and it's like a big long cycle. So next is synthetic versus organic fertilizers. So organic comes from animal waste, and synthetic is made. So nitrogen from the atmosphere is taken and converted into nitrogen ammonia, which plants use to grow. It also contains phosphorus and potassium. So some pros of synthetic is it's easy to transport because it's a dust, and it has a timed release. So as it gets water, it can release an even amount in the soil, and you can change the makeup of it for what the plant needs. Some cons are that it can end up in water or oceans because it's water soluble, it's overused, and it doesn't improve the soil structure. So organic pros is it stays where it was put because it's worked into the soil, and the partially digested vegetation helps to improve soil structure. And cons of that is you have to gather it. The nutrients levels aren't known, so you don't know what the animal ate or how it digested it. And it's also hard to use because it has to be like worked into the soil. And last is pesticides. So these are used to help maximize crop yield. Overuse of them can cause plants to adapt and become no longer killed by it. And you can also kill non-target species. But that's all. So thank you.